Well, what do you know? Lunch is served.
Hands off, wise guy! I'm taking a mail order course in Asian studies, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, the whole egg roll, and I will not be interrupted by your... Oh, now who could that be? Oh, how exciting! It's my correspondence karate course! Says here I need a training partner. And you're it!
No way.
Woodpecker, I'll give you a year's free rent to train me for my big test.
Did you say a year's free rent? But you must do everything I tell you, Mini-san, for obedience is the way of the woodpecker. To learn perfect karate rhythm, you must cut sushi rolls to the beat of ancient music. Use the strength of your wrist to flip the sushi over your shoulder and onto this plate without looking. You've earned your sushi belt. But I think it's time to work on your balance. You must lift your left leg higher. Then, lift your right wing like a crane in flight. Perfect. Right there. No. For the balance of the crane, you must lift your right leg like the crane. I mean left wing. No, right arm. I gotta get cable. Using the ground to break your fall was a masterful choice, Mimi-san.
When are we gonna start kicking butt and taking names?
First, you must learn concentration.
What's happening?
Ignore all distractions. Focus, Mimi-san. Focus.
Yes, Master Woody. Yes, Master. Yes, Master. Woodpecker, this is ridiculous. I don't see any of this stuff in my training manual. You gotta train me like it says in here, or no free rent!
Attack like the silent cobra. Okay. You go hide in your house. When I come in, you try to sneak attack me.
Oh, now we're talking, Woodpecker. I'm a cobra!
Hey, chummy. Is that cheese for Wally Walrus?
Nope. Says here it's for Woody Woodpecker. Have a nice day.
I love a good stinky cheese. Yeah, you can hide, but you just can't run, Mimi. I must have taught her too good. She could be anywhere.
You can run, but you can't hide, Woodpecker!
I see your training is going well, Miss Beanie. I am here to test you.
If I don't pass, no free rent for you, Woodpecker!
Buddy, I need help. I'll give you my whole collection of Kung Fu movies on Betamax, but you gotta fight her for me.
No can do, Woody-san. The test begins now.
Well, then there's only one way to play this.
You have no courage. You run like the nose of my sister's baby.
Your red mane is mine, infidel!
Cyclone of death, A+. Pinwheel of pain, most impressive. Tightrope of terror, A+ again. I must say, you are an amazing training partner, Woodpecker-san.
Yeah, it's all just wax on, wax off. You know what I'm saying?
Actually, no.
Woohoo! Meanie, you passed the karate test. That's a year's free rent for me.
I should have taken French lessons.